I am sharing with you how I fixed the windshield washer not spraying on my Subaru Outback 2018. Disclaimer. This video is for informational purposes only. I am not a certified auto technician. Follow the information in this video at your own risk. Always think about safety first. Make sure your car is in park mode and the parking brake is engaged. The windshield washer spraying problems can fall under two main categories. No water coming out at any nozzle. In this case, the cause could be the washer fluid pump, switch, or electrical control. If so, this video may not be for you. Or you see some water, notice weak water activity, or see water pouring out under the hood. The possible causes could be a leaking hose, a disconnected hose, or a blockage somewhere. This video addresses the second case, water hose issues. Tools and parts you may need. 1. A wrench and 12mm or 14mm sockets. Sorry, I cannot remember exactly which size, but you probably have a set of them anyway. 2. Clip removal tools. 3. Spare clips. It's likely that some clips will break, so having spares can be handy. 4. A new sprayer hose and splitter. It's better to have these on hand. You might not be sure if you'll need them, but it's likely that you will. I have included links to the items you may need from Amazon in the video description. Before we delve into the details, I want to give you a summary of the steps. We need to access the sprayer hose under the plastic piece between the hood and windshield, commonly referred to as the cowl panel or cowl vent. To remove it, we first need to remove the wiper arms. You will need a 12mm or 14mm socket. Mark the location of the wipers on your windshield, so that you can reinstall them in the same position. You will need to remove the clips that keep the cowl panel in place. There are about 8 clips. Be careful not to break them, or have spares if needed. For my Subaru Outback 2018, there are 2 small side panels. Remove the holding pin, then push the panel down and twist it outward. Pay attention to how the panel and its clips are arranged in this video. It will give you a better idea of how to work with them. Once you remove all that, slowly detach the cowl panel from the windshield. Be aware of the sprayer hose attached to it. Investigate to see if there is any disconnection. Pinpoint the issue and fix it accordingly. In my case, there was a broken or disconnected hose. Luckily, there was extra length, so I could cut the broken area and reconnect it. Before you fully reinstall everything, you may want to test it to ensure the issue is resolved. Good luck, and if you have any questions that I might help answer, please leave a comment and I will do my best to assist you.